How to raise a query in the IRCTC official website. So hey guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial I'll be showing you all the steps that are required to raise a query in your official IRCTC account. So I will be raising this query on the official IRCTC website. So in order to start, the first thing that you will need to do is open any web browser of your choice and simply head on to this website, that is irctc.co.in. So irctc.co.in is the official website of the Indian Railways or the IRCTC for doing these particular things. So once you are inside the IRCTC website, you can log in if you want, and then you will be headed onto this home tab right here, or this home page. So once you are inside this home page, you need to click onto this help and support button present at the top. So once you'll click onto this help and support button, you will see an interface like this that says welcome to IRCTC eQuery. So from here you can either choose to enter your email address or your mobile number, and then you will need to fill out this captcha. And once you will click onto this submit button, you will receive an OTP that you will need to enter here. So if you will enter your email ID, you will receive the OTP on your email ID, and if you have entered your mobile number, you will receive the OTP on your mobile number. So after entering the OTP, you will be landed onto this particular page right here. And from here, you have two options. The first one is eQuery, and the second one is the list of all the concerns that you have raised in the past. So under the eQuery, if you want to raise a new query, you can select this option, and any other issues is currently selected, but you can choose any other option. Like if you are having an issue with the refund, you can click onto this refund option, or if you have any profile related issues, you can select this, or if you have any website or mobile app related issues, you can select this option. For other issues, you can select the last option, that is any other issues. Then you also have this option to choose a subcategory like Aadhaar linking issues, loyalty, ISBI card related, agent related queries, etc. So once you are done with this, you can simply type in the description of the query. If you have any photo, audio or video to upload, you can upload them right here, and then click onto this submit button, and your query will be submitted to the IRCTC, and they will get back to you with a response or a action for your particular query. So that was all for this simple and easy tutorial. I hope this was helpful to you. If it was, do make sure to give a like, and also don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.